Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll dive right into how to create project kickoff templates on Asana. This process will streamline your project management and help you hit the ground running on every project. First up, let's log into Asana. Now, on the left-hand side, click on the New button and select Project. This is your starting point for creating a new project template. Creating templates for your projects helps ensure consistency and saves you time in the long run. Now that we're in the project creation mode, name your project and choose Use a Template. From the Template menu, select Blank Project. The reason we do this is to start from scratch and fully customize our template according to our specific needs. Next, let's add tasks and subtasks to our project. Click the plus Add Task button and start writing out the tasks that are common to your projects. For each task, you can also add subtasks, assignees, due dates, and more. This helps us because it allows us to break down our projects into manageable parts and assign responsibilities straight away. Now, let's add custom fields to our tasks. Click on the Fields button at the top and then plus Add Field. Here you can add fields like priority, status, cost, and others. Custom fields are important as they give us more control over how we track and manage our tasks. Almost there. Now that we've created our tasks and customized them, it's time to save this as a template. Go to the project settings by clicking on the button at the top, then click on Save as a Template. Give your template a name and that's it. Saving as a template helps us reuse this structure for future projects, cutting down on setup time. And there you have it. You've just created a project kickoff template on Asana. Remember, the key to a successful project kickoff is preparation. And these templates are your first step to start every project on the right foot. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.